Good morning, it's the 25th of August, I believe, down in Ventnor on the Isle of Wight. It's like a beautiful day. Got to find my binoculars in this chaotic mess. Let's grab those and see if there's any birds around. So that breeze seems to be coming vaguely from that direction. Is it an easterly or a southeasterly? Don't know, I have to check the weather maps later. Oh, I can hear a willow warbler calling. Like that, sort of. It's quite breezy, so you may be hearing wind noise, for which I apologise if you are. Although I am using my DJI microphone. Obviously there's a link to that in the description below. It's a very good microphone. No, I don't hold shares in DJI, but there is an affiliate link to Evil Amazon. Oh, another Philosk, or probably the same one. Willow warbler. What's just round this corner? Come on, melodious warbler. Let's be having one. Doesn't look like there is one just here. Not that they'd be that easy to pick out. Be skulking as I come around the corner. It's probably dived in if there is anything there. So nothing obvious just there. Probably here I'm wearing flip-flops again. Should stop doing that when I'm filming. So I think the Philosk was in these tamarisks somewhere. That's where it sounded like it was coming from. What a cracking start to the day. This is beautiful. Oh yeah, some book progress. So, my wildlife watching around Ventnor booklet, just a short guide, accompanies the watching birds around Ventnor booklet. So that second one, wildlife watching around Ventnor, has been uploaded and should be published hopefully today. I'll do an upload or do an update video later today, just let you know what the book is. But yeah, that was written on my phone, largely edited with a friend. Oh, there's a Philosk. Edited with a friend in a Word document, then I formatted it in Draft to Digital, which is an online distributor. That's a really good formatting tool with some templates. You can format the interior of your book for free. And then I did a book cover design on Canva. Don't do your own book cover designs. I have zero graphic design skills. I probably bodged it, but it is what it is. I can't afford to commission a freelance book cover designer at the moment. Oh, yeah, it's like a willow warbler there. Yeah, put it all together, put the book cover with the formatted interior, uploaded it to the Evil Amazon, and hopefully today, I uploaded it yesterday evening. Oh, there's 3 willow warblers over there. Hopefully it will be, unless there are any issues, it will be ready for purchase as a paperback later today, and I'm going to do the ebook version today as well. So hopefully that will be available by the end of today, because it literally takes that long. It takes about a day for Amazon to approve or to check the files and make sure I'm not scamming or anything. I've had a nice arrival of willow warblers. Oh, well that was bigger. Might have to freeze that. I think I got it on video. It's almost red starty. Is that willow warbler just down here, is it? Something landed just down there. I think maybe it's a leaf. Nothing's moving, so it can't have been anything. So I reckon 5 willow warblers and 1 possible red star. God, if I'd gone up on the downs, it'd probably be heaving. Be interesting to see if anyone else has gone up there. I've got to go in a second because the traffic wardens normally turn up at about 8, and it's probably not far off 8 now. Let's just check what the time is. Hold on. It's 7:42 in the morning, so we're okay. Wonder if there's any willow warblers over on the lawn. Sorry, not willow warblers, wheat ears over on the lawns just over here. So it's mornings like this when these tamarisks and this little isolated garden here, when it does actually attract birds, it's days like this when I ought to be able to find something rare in here. Because if this was Portland Bird Observatory Garden, there'd be something rare in here. Oh, what's that up there? There's a chiffy up there. Trouble is they've got nets and I haven't, so I'm not trapping any of the skulky stuff. Be interesting to work out what percentage of birds are seen in the Bird Observatory Garden before they're finally trapped. I found Melodious Warbler in the garden before they trapped it there once. But I'm pretty sure a fairly high percentage would have been trapped before they're then seen by people, despite the fact there's loads and loads of people on the patio there looking into the gardens. I still think probably a higher proportion of the rarer birds are trapped before they're seen, maybe not even seen in the garden subsequently. Stuff can be so skulky. So God, it's a cold breeze. So here it feels like a northerly. Yeah, I think it's a northwesterly, this breeze, and it's blooming chilly. Scan down on the harbour breakwater thingy, see if there's any wheatears out there. Whew. Yeah, hands are cold. What's that? Did I just see? I did see some. Oh, there's a loads of swallows coming in. Coming in off the sea. Awesome. Somebody tell them they're going the wrong way, but I suppose a northwesterly, they're all going into it. Probably can't see them on here, but no. It was just a little wave, probably 20, 25. Still a few coming through. Yeah, they often do that here. They just fly into the wind, so they can easily be coming in off the sea. Even though it's autumn, they should be heading south. So yeah, the old Vismig is going to start kicking off down here soon. Swallows initially, their numbers will really start to build, and then the alba wags, white wag and pied wags will start to go through, and then linnets and siskins and goldfinches and chaffinches if we're very lucky, because they're really scarce now, down here at least. There's one wheatear on the breakwater. I'm not going to try and zoom in on it because it would be silly. And another two. Three, there's two together. It's quite difficult to scan when you're videoing. Yeah, nice. 3 wheatears down on that rocky arm down there. Trust me. Let's go up there and check the Alexandra Gardens. So yeah, that wildlife watching around Ventnor guide is book number 6 for me. Book lit number 6. All of them published since June this year, and we're now into August. So I reckon I'll get 10 books out by the end of this year, and the next couple will be bigger, thicker books. So I think the bird watching around Ventnor is about 100 pages, so just a booklet. More willow warblers up here I can hear. Ah, dearie me. Hopefully that'll be cleared this morning. We're very lucky. So it's very breezy now, so hopefully the wind's quality or the sound quality is okay. Here's some sparrows. Great little spot here for philosks and whitethroats and the odd garden warbler, that kind of thing. And obviously the great spotted cuckoo fed in the hedge over there on brown-tailed moth caterpillars. Doesn't actually seem like there's much in here today, or anything. I haven't seen a willow warbler yet, although I did hear one as I was coming up. Just lots of sparrows. Yes. Oh, more swallows going through up there. Probably can't see them. Right, there's a swallow. Got to go back now to make sure I don't get done in by the traffic warden. So a little gang of linnets, about 7, just went over heading, oh, there's some philosks over there, heading, this little tamarisk, there's some philosks. They were heading west, those linnets. There's one willow warbler, 2 willow warblers. Just in the tamarisks. Let's go down there and have a look from the bottom. So yeah, there appear to be 5 willow warblers just up and around that tamarisk there. Oh, what's that lower down? Dived into cover. Swallow. God, really looking forward to the old Vismig properly ramping up. One, 2, 3, 4. I can see 4 willow warblers there at the moment. There's a whitethroat, that's what the other thing was. There's another bird there as well. Yes, there's a whitethroat. What's this thing in this elder just here, I wonder? Whitethroat's just up there. Gone into cover again, I think. But there's that wren just flew up. Don't know what that was in the elder lower down. Oh, back in there again. Out in the open, what are you? That's a robin. Nothing wrong with robins. Ah dear. Wheat is still down there. Not that I can see them from here. Right, let's have a quick look up on this bank. It's a bit in the shade really, so can't really see much up there. I mean, there's the tamarisk with the willow warblers. But they're really feeding in that bit because it's in the sun, I think. Right, let's go and see if I've got a parking ticket. Willow warbler. Love it. Love that sound, that autumn sound.